Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bread pudding. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of day-old bread, which is perfect for soaking up flavor. We'll also use 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of whole milk. These simple items form the foundation of a wonderfully comforting dessert. Make sure your bread is slightly stale for the best texture. Now let's get everything ready. Start by cutting your stale bread into 1-inch cubes. This helps them absorb the custard evenly. In a separate bowl, whisk together your 2 large eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic aroma. Gently fold the bread cubes into this mixture, ensuring they are fully coated. It's time to bake our pudding. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the soaked bread mixture into a greased 8-inch baking dish, spreading it evenly. Place the dish in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma will be incredible. Once your delicious bread pudding is out of the oven, let it cool for about 15 minutes. This allows it to set properly and makes serving easier. It's absolutely wonderful served warm, perhaps with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. For an extra treat, drizzle some caramel sauce or a simple lemon glaze over the top. Enjoy this comforting dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.